simple experiment, and this is the glass, empty glass, and this is the 5 rupees coin. Now this glass put on it. My question is that this coin is C or not?
Yeah, we are able to see the coin because glass is a transparent thing, and yes, obviously.
Okay. Now simply I fill some water. Then what happened? Coin is C or not?
Yeah, it should still be visible because water is also transparent.
Okay, I will try. Now simply fill this glass by the help of water. Now again. Oh
no sir, we are not able to see the coin now.
Why?
I'm sure that that coin has not disappeared somewhere, but like it's obviously there. It is not a magic trick, but where has the coin gone?
Simply, when light is moved from rare to denser medium, that means water is denser and air is the rare medium. Then it's bending, means the direction of the light is changes.
Okay. So, but so like you are saying the rays of light are changing their direction.
Yes, when it travel from rare medium to denser medium. Here ray is air and denser is water.
Okay, so initially air was in the glass and outside also there was air. So the change in direction was zero.
Zero.
There was no change in
doesn't
direction.
change. But when we fill simply water, its direction is changes because medium is changes.
So
that phenomena is called simply refraction.
So like suppose if we just take away the water, it will still be visible, right?
Yes, yes. Again try. Now again this glass is empty. And you see this?
Yeah. So but now you are saying that there are rays of light involved in this, like they are changing its direction. But in this particular experiment, we are not able to see the rays of light because, so is there any other demonstration where we can see the rays of light?
Now, simply again demonstrate with a simple ray box and glass. The glass slab. Now, mark this glass slab from A, B, C, D, and boundary of A, B, C, D, and this is the simple ray box. Start the ray box and mark this ray from red pen.
So like in this particular case, both are air,
yes, this is the air, means rare medium. This is the air. This is the rare medium, and this is the air. This is also the rare medium.
Like the medium is not getting changed.
Yes. Therefore, the direction of the light is straight line.
So like when we relate this to the glass problem, so it is like the situation where there was empty glass.
Yes, when glass is empty, the direction of the ray is not changed.
So this is like the position of our eyes here.
Yes. Now simply again we put this glass slab, and again the ray coming from the ray box, mark this ray.
This is the same ray, right?
Yes, and this is the simply ray which is coming from denser to rare medium. Here denser is the
air and denser is the glass slab.
Yes.
And rarer is the air. Where is the light entering the slab exactly? Like what is the point?
This is the point P.
And where is it exiting out?
And this is the point Q. From light is coming from the ray box to point P, and light is outgoing from point Q. Now,
so this must be the change in direction.
Yes. Okay. Now simply meet the point P and Q, and this is the straight line.
Okay.
And this is the
incoming
ray, and this is the outgoing ray.
So like in this particular thing, we can see there are two intersections. Like one is at this particular point where there is a change in direction, like the light ray is changing direction, and one is at this point. So like are these both same situations? Like here it is from air to glass slab.
Yes.
Here it is from glass slab to air.
Yes.
So like what conclusion can we draw from it? Like will suppose if there is some angle associated with it, is both the things same?
Okay, I got your question. I draw the normal of AD surface and I draw the normal of BC surface.
Yes, sir. That is my question. This angle is obviously like we can see it is more than this angle.
Yes.
So, but the change in medium is same. So, like how does it happen? Here also there is change in medium. Here also there is change in medium. So, does it depend upon what medium is it, or like?
Okay. When light is traveling from rare to denser medium, that is, this is the air
to glass,
which is rare medium, and this is the glass slab, which is the denser medium.
Okay.
And again this is the air, which is the rare medium. When light is traveling from air, means rare medium to denser medium, that is glass, which is bent towards the normal.
Okay.
And when the light is traveling from denser medium to rare medium, it's bending
away from the
normal.
Okay, so this proves this angle is more than this angle.
Yes,
because
always.
here it is away.
Okay.
So
this is the incident angle, and this is the
this is the incident and this is the refractive angle for this particular
yes.
Yeah,
right.
So like it is the property of this mediums, right? From air to glass, it travels, it will bend at some degree and like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.